What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today is just a real quick video to show you guys how to change the oil on a lawn tractor if you have one at home. There's no sense in paying a mechanic to do an oil change service for your machine when you can easily do it at home. So this is my old Craftsman lawn tractor. It's an LT4000, I think is the model. It's got a 15 horsepower Briggs Stratton engine, and it's really simple to swap the oil out for this thing. Real quick, all you gotta know is the oil always seeps on the bottom of the pan, and so there's a drain pipe right here. And so if you just follow the engine, obviously top and bottom, and then you have a drain pipe right there, and there's just a little box plug at the bottom of the pipe right there to drain the oil out. And then to fill the oil, you just stick it right back in the tube right up here on top. And so we're gonna grab an adjustable wrench, and we're gonna drain this out. All right, tools you're gonna need to do this. It's really simple. Just an adjustable wrench. You don't need a certain size to take this plug out. It's the only thing you're gonna need a wrench for. So grab an adjustable. You're gonna need a funnel to put the oil in, a paper towel to check the oil level, and of course, oil. Synthetic 5W30 is safe for basically all lawnmowers and lawn tractors. It's a great small engine oil. It's good for all temperatures. It's good for wintertime. It's good for summertime. So if you're wondering what kind of oil to get, don't overspend on that fancy stuff at Tractor Supply Company or anything when you can just get synthetic 5W30. You will be good. I've been using this for the past 2 years for this tractor, and it runs beautifully. So first thing to do is just gonna pull the plug here, and then, oh, that's the other thing. You always want to make sure you have a catch pan, because if you don't have a catch pan, you're going to get oil all over the floor. So you want to just get this loosened to the point where you can do it by hand, and I think we're there. I also put a puppy pad underneath it just to catch any splatter or anything that might get missed. So this is, the oil's kind of cold, so it might take a few minutes to drain out. So you just want to let it sit there and let all the oil seep out. If you really want to get every single little bit out, you could jack up the front end to push all the oil to the back of the engine here. Could be a useful tip. But I'm just going to let this thing seep out, and then we'll plug it back in and we'll add the new oil. All right, as you can see, I did jack the front end of it up. I just put my little small trolley jack underneath a piece of wood and lifted up the front end to get the last of it out, and there's really just like a spider web thin stream of oil coming out. So we're gonna go ahead and cap this off. All right, and then we can go ahead and add our oil. You wanna make sure that these plugs are snug, but you don't wanna over tighten them because you don't wanna screw up the threads at all. So just get it on there nice and tight. But make sure that, yeah, just like there you go. Nice and snug. So I don't know if you can see. Let me get some better light on here. But inside here, we definitely have a little bit of fluid seeping. I know it's dirty in there. I got to clean it out. But you can see there's some oil coming out. So what does that mean? That means oil seeping from somewhere. That means you have a leaky gasket somewhere. If you have a situation like this, don't freak out. It's all good. As long as you're continually checking your oil level and it's not super low and you're adding to it, you're good. All older engines are gonna leak oil. That's just what happens. So what I suggest is using Lucas Oil Stop Leak. It has full instructions on the back that tell you how much to put in for how much your engine takes. It's good for cars and trucks and small engines alike. So I just do a good squeeze of that in there, and then I'm gonna fill up the rest with oil, and you should be good to go. It'll keep your motor running and running well. So that's pretty much it. When you add the oil, just do it by eyeball. You know, you can take a guess because all these engines are different sizes. You can guess at how much oil is in there. I'm gonna guess it's gonna take, you know, 3/4 of that quart or so, but I'll just keep checking it as I go. If I need more, I'll add more. So I hope this video helped, guys. I know I didn't go into a very full detail, but all this stuff should be pretty easy if you're a little bit handsy. So all you need is some oil, a funnel, a wrench, some gloves, of course, and just kind of knowing what you're doing. So hope this helped everybody. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and have a great day.